Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Claire. Thank you so much for your support. So in this video I'm showing you how I made this really simple and easy wall decor. All the material are linked in the description box below. So I started with our cardboard. This cardboard is 10 inches and I'll be also gluing glitter paper on top of this. And I'll also be using the clear glue to make this bond. I left this to dry for like 15 minutes and then I got my mirror. This is the mirror I got from the Dollar Tree. I'll be just tracing it out and then drawing my major lines of where I'll be putting my dowels. Of course, this chopping mat really made my work easy with drawing these lines. These will be the first steps where I put the dowels. I got these dowels from the 99-cent store and I'll be using 32 of these. All I did was to use the hot glue to glue them down onto the board. Now it's very important to put the mirror in the middle to help you guide where the dowels should start, because my intention was to glue the mirror last and I don't want this circle to be too small that my mirror cannot, be glued in the right position. So I just use that as a guide, and all around I only use the hot glue. If this is your first time here, I'm really glad to have you. Just please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload. Thank you so much. Now that all the pieces were glued down, I'll just remove the center mirror and then take it outside. I'll spray paint it all silver, and this is how it looks like, and I think it's already beautiful. And I'll just put this aside for now, and now I'll be making different shapes using these cornflakes boxes. I like this because they're a bit thick but not too thick. So I'll just be using this small cup to draw my shape and just cut it out using scissors. And now I'll be tracing this onto my metallic reflective paper and just stick it on, because I want all these to be glittering and shiny, so it looks awesome. This contact paper has its own glue and also a protective film, which we shall only remove at the end of the project. I made 16 of these pieces, and now I'm just labeling 6 centimeters from the sharp point, because I want them to be uniform as I glue them down. And now I'm going to be using these gems. I got this from the 99-cent store and I really loved them. So I'll be gluing them down on the parts that didn't get the mirror reflective pieces. I'll start with just one gem for now and just using hot glue as well. And now I'll be gluing these gems as well on the cardboard in the center of the space. And now I'll be gluing these smaller gems onto the starting point for all these mirror pieces. I now decided to add another gem onto these plain dowels because one gem didn't seem really enough. And now for the middle part, I'm just labeling on the gem dowel, the middle part, because I want them to be uniform, and this is where I'll be attaching the rhombus small mirrors using just hot glue. Now gluing back on my mirror, I noticed for some reason I could not place this mirror back. The circle was too small, just what I feared, but it happened. So I just used the small dowels that I glued down, and so this mirror will be a bit lifted from the cardboard. I just held this mirror for a while for it to dry. Also, don't forget to remove the protective film off the surfaces for a better shine. And last minute thing, I decided to glue gems on the two ends of the rhombus mirrors. And this is the final thing I did. And I really love how it looks like. You can use two-sided tape or clips to hang this onto your wall. I really love how it looks like. It's so shining. I'm not sure if this camera does it justice. Anyway, I hope you did love it as well. Just please give me a like, share this video, and also subscribe, as well as turn the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload. I have other videos for inspirations with DIYs and decor. Just check them out in my description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.